Hi, welcome to my channel, all about tools. Not gonna need cord this time to start up this trimmer because it's a cordless. So what we have a Greenworks string trimmer, 24 volts with a 3-year warranty, with a cutting capacity of 25 centimeters of 10 or 10 inch. So it's 24 volts battery powered with edger function string trimmer, and can work with the same. These are the tools. 24 volts available tools. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tools with 24 volts. Auto feed line. So this comes with the battery and the charger. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, protector and manual. I'll go over that later. Charger with a cable. (24 volts) battery. It's 2 amp hours. Let's see, has a little juice inside. Greenworks basic battery. That's it. Okay, so we have the UK cable and the EU cable. So this is not the charger. 24 volt charger, lithium-ion battery charger. 24. It should charge this battery, so it should charge this battery in 60 minutes. Full charge. It goes like this. And then push it here. Comes out. Okay. What we have here? Protector with 1, 2, 3 screws. Okay. Okay, thing in the box. Greenworks manual. I'm not gonna read that now. Okay, step-by-step instructions how to put it together, and more documentation, types of batteries, types of chargers. So let's see. In order to set up this, we need to cut this first. Right here, yes, right. Okay, I need a cutter. So we need to put this together, and 2 screws are going in this hole and 1 screw going to the protector. Okay, so we need a Phillips screwdriver. And that's it. So this is for the edge of function. So you need to push both buttons, and it's not telescopic, fits like that. Now we need to put the protector, which is here like that. It goes right here. And the screw right in here. So the head is automatic. Every time you push the button, release a bit of line, or you can do it manually by pushing this button. But of course you need to put the trimmer in stop position, take the battery out first, and always say wear protective goggles, because it can cause something in your eyes. You push this button and it's released like that. So this is the position for trimming. When I push these 2 buttons, okay, and turn (180 degrees), it can be an edger. We can cut edges. Just doesn't have an edger wheel. Here in this model doesn't have a fine protector, which is the basic one. That's why it's the cheapest one. And let's check the data. We have 2 buttons. In order to start, we need to push this and this. Release and stop. Push, release and stop. Now I would like to hear how it sounds. So to install the battery, it's quite easy. The battery goes like that, and it's ready to roll. Let's hear it. Nice. Well, it's a good product for Greenworks. Surprised me. This is just the basic, very basic model, but has a power as a electric one, around 300-400 watts. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye.